We're at the Wrights Corners. We're in Wrights Corners at Slayton Settlement Road. It's Slayton Settlement Road. At the nature trail. Got everybody. Hey, say hi, Emmeline. Say hi, baby.
Yay. Say hi.
James, that's James, and then my other brother in the back, Miles. My mom.
Hi.
That's Dom. We're gonna start making vlogs until the waterfall, but we just did it anyways. Now I'm gonna run. Don't go down there. Don't go down there. That's the waterfall. No, she just said not to go down there.
Did I walk and meet you guys?
No.
That's not the trail.
Yeah. We can't go down there. Oh my God. Let's go. She just said no. 8:30. My minutes is like 8:32.
I'm guessing she's standing on this thing.
Oh, yep. Sit down, Emmeline. The minutes I can record this is like 8 minutes and 32 seconds.
I thought there was no water. Well, I thought there was no water.
I didn't say anything. You can't switch the camera around once you're ready. What? Say hi, James. I got a mosquito in my finger. Say hi, Miles.
Hi.
Say hi, James.
Hi, my name is Sun.
What? Got an itch. Where do we go? Oh, we gotta go up here.
Yeah!
Come on, Mom.
Oh, I hit the freaking tree.
We gotta wait. Stop.
We're good.
We gotta wait.
Good.
We gotta wait.
We're good.
You never listen, do you? Yeah.
No, but I am.
No, you're not.
He can do whatever he wants. I'm not his mother.
Okay.
No.
Yep. I'm going up there too then.
You are not.
Screw it. I'm gonna fall, but whatever.
You and Miles on the side.
What the frick? I can't even get up here. Oh my God. This isn't even funny.
I'm gonna count to 3, and if you don't count,
God damn it. I'm gonna freaking fall. I'm falling right now. I'm gonna fall. James, you're gonna freaking fall. James, my little brother's trying to climb with us. Get down! Oh my God. God.
Okay, I gotta come down this way.
Yeah. Freaking hard. Mother fricker, dude. Damn, she just said come down. Oh God. Oh.
Didn't I see you here before?
No. No. No, that was me and Lon. Yeah, my friend Lon freaking hit his. He was like wee when he hit the part of the tree. He was climbing across the tree branch that fell, and he went wee and almost killed himself. I can hear other people.
Cool. So shallow, I can just walk in here.
Yeah, I need my boots. He's climbing in the water.
let's go, boys.
I can hear the people.
Let's go, boys.
Really good.
I ain't walking in there.
Boys.
I ain't walking in there until
No, you cannot. Because I don't have
I can hear other people. There's people up there. Up there.
Holy sharks!
Oh yeah, you're gonna freaking fall. We're gonna fall. All the people over there.
Dude, some spots it's like really deep.
There's people coming.
Dude, this is amazing.
There's people over there. I'm gonna change into my boots. So don't touch the camera. James or Miles, no. You already have your boots on. Dom, wait for me. Dom, wait.
No, because you just fell again.
Oh my God, so retarded. Oh, dog. Hi. Hi, doggies. I like your dog. Welcome. Oh, that dog. Freaking shoes in here. Dom, hang on, wait. Hang on. Gotta get all the stuff out. I'm I have to have socks on. I might drop the phone in the water. It's not waterproof. So I gotta get over here fast. Oh God, we're gonna die. I am like hoping we're in the freaking water. So you're like, shit. I didn't tell my mom my YouTube channel. Hell no. This is okay. One of these times I'm gonna freaking fall.
Oh shit.
Dom, you want to take over the vlog?
All my shoes.
No.
Wait, let me put my shoes in your bag.
No, it won't fit. I'm climbing up these rocks to get over here. Mom!
What?
Wait for us. What the hell, dude? What the hell? Freaking God. We can... Oh, I'm gonna freaking fall. What the hell?
That hurt.
This isn't even funny. It's scary. Because if I drop the phone, I am screwed. Mom, where are you going? Oh, they're going up there. You want to go?
We'll meet them up there anyway.
Yeah. True. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna forget. I can't go up the waterfall. No, I can't. Cause where am I gonna? First of all, where am I gonna put the phone? Second of all,
I'll catch you.
yeah. So, wait. It's 6:29. Gotta end the vlog soon. There'll be another one though. Oh hell, dude. Shit. Oh shite. I'm literally standing on a freaking rock. It's cold. Yeah. Yeah, you guys want to be in the video? Okay guys, we'll make another vlog in a few minutes. Bye.